So what's going on, guys? Just another day here in traffic, going home, having a good old time. So, story time. 2 weeks ago, I put out a video, and I was, having one of my days about the motorcycle, and I believe it was like a Friday or something, or a Thursday maybe. The thing is, that same Sunday, so not this Sunday that passed, but not this Sunday, but the last Sunday, I went out off-roading for the first time. Yes, sir, I did, and look at that. Oh, it sucks. Man, nice Volvo too. I went out off-roading for the first time with this beauty. So I just passed my first little creek, and this is going to be my little second one. And now I'm starting to notice why there's nobody out here. It's probably because they're afraid of the floods, and I think I am going to get that night. Oh, that is crazy. That is so much fun. And I went to a place that's not, it's not crazy, you know what I mean? It's pretty mild. It's one of the mildest ones that I know personally. They offer, it's like a fire road. It's got a couple creeks that run through it, and since it's been raining a lot, there's actually a lot of creeks that got washed out. The problem is that when I left the house, I was talking to my microphone and everything was good, but I have forgotten that I put it on linear view. So when I got to the place that I wanted to be at, which is behind Lake Pleasant, so here we are, and it is absolutely gorgeous out here and quiet. And I honestly thought there was going to be more people out here, but first time in the dirt, and this is where the trail starts. And let's check this out right here. There's this map, and it's a pretty big map. So I believe, well, anyways, I'm not even going to try to read this thing. But anyways, we're somewhere in here, and we're going to go somewhere out there. And we'll just leave it at that. In Lake Pleasant, I changed the settings on my camera to I changed it to a wide lens because I thought it looked better because you can see the handlebars. And so I put on my helmet. I say a couple of things here and there, and I start riding. Alright, let's get started. First time in the dirt. Hopefully I don't get it. Oh man, that feels weird. That is a crazy thing. Honestly, I've only gone a few hundred feet probably, but it's weird. Not that there's an easy ride because, like I said, it's my first time I put on my glove. But it's a lot of fun. Before man, a while back I went up to Jason, and we hit a spot where it was all gravel, and it hated. It felt like, obviously the front tire was going in front on top of the rocks, and as it was moving it, I'm sure the rocks were moving away from the tire, so it was kind of floating on top of it, and that's what made it feel so horrible, like it was gonna fall right out of me, right? Like if the bike was gonna slide right off from under me. And a little bit of concentration here. Let's see. And so here I'm feeling the same thing, but not as much. But I do feel the slip. That is a crazy feeling. First time that I get in the trail, and I was 6 foot in the dirt. And it's crazy. It feels like, I don't know if every dirt bike feels like this, or every adventure bike feels like this, but it just feels like, I don't know, it feels weird. Like it's
bit here and there. And I started riding. And I talked the whole way. And let me tell you guys, I had such a great time. I just had a good time. I haven't had a time like that in a while. And I was, I was saying the things that I liked and I didn't like and how it felt, the road and this and that. I ended up dropping my motorcycle. Yep, you heard right.
Alright, let's continue. You know what, I think I'm just going to say screw it and just run this video. And,
so right here, I had just stopped to take a little break, get a drink of water, take a few pictures, and it was a beautiful scenery. The weather was perfect. And from here on, I just kept recording. I was trying to make a video where I could do it in Spanish and English, but I decided just to keep the camera rolling and do all the editing later.
As long as the road continues to be this way, I think we're going to do just fine. Hopefully, the creeks or the miles or whatever is up next that I don't remember is just the same as the one that I just already passed. I'm not talking about all of the have some fun here. Ojalá salga el sonido y el audio bien porque traigo la mascarilla abierta. No pasa nada, no pasa nada. Todavía no voy tan rápido, no sé. Donde vamos a tirar. Te dije. Ay, no, Mike, te la aventaste. Ya valiste gorro. Y algo me dijo que se me iba a caer esta madre. ¿Ves? Por venir hablando. Por venir pendejeando. Bueno. Ay, no. ¿Qué le pasó? Nada. No, mira que no le pasó nada. Ay, no. Bueno, el caso es de que si subo esa loma, que no la voy a subir, créeme, después de lo que me acaba de pasar. ¿Todo bien? Después de lo que me acaba de pasar, no la voy a... Ahora para levantar esta madre. Well, guys, I was trying to show you guys the place where we're coming shooting and I dropped my bike. There it goes. We all knew it was going to happen. I guess I hit this rock, so here it is. I come around here and I completely missed this rock right here. And so that rock was right here and I smacked it completely. They completely, so this rock was right there and I didn't even see it. And that's what took me down. Venía así y vi la piedra. Y esta piedra ahorita cayó, si miras aquí la impresión, cayó aquí. Y fue lo que hizo que me cayera. Qué barbaridad. Bueno. Levantar esta moto, vamos a ver. Y a ver si nos hizo lock. Hopefully this thing didn't lock up. Alright. ¿Todo bien? Everything good? Everything good? ¿Está bien? No se quebró. Le hizo el paro a esta madre. Crazy. No la friegues. No prende esta madre. Now this thing won't start. Okay. Did I read the manual? Nope. Of course I didn't. ¿Leí el manual? Claro que no. No lo leí. Lo prendemos en segunda. No, pues ya tenemos que a ver si la puedo prender. No, es que esta madre es electrónica, no creo. No creo que se pueda. A ver si podemos agarrar una bajadita. Y la verdad, no estaba ni tan pesada para levantar. No sé por qué se queja la gente. Honestly, this thing wasn't even that bad a lift off the ground. Let's see if we can. Oh, she's alive. Está viva. Vámonos. Qué bárbaro. El día de madre acabo de pegar ahí.
Down with it. And so I get back home and, you know, I'm still talking this and that. And, you know, obviously I'm gonna edit the good parts, and I was already thinking about what I was gonna do with the video. See that wobble? There you go again. See that? There's that wobble right there. So then I started thinking about what I'm going to do to the video. So I started looking at I started going through the footage, and I noticed that from the point where I started off-roading forward, the mic inside my helmet did not work. So I was only recording the thumper, and you could barely hear my voice, and I was so disappointed that I almost gave up on these adventures, man. I was just like, really? The one time I go off-roading, it felt good. It was all fantastic. And I'm thinking that the mic didn't work. Look at, see that wobble? It kind of sucks, dude. It sucks. Look at that. So if I put some force to it, like forward, it'll go away. But then it'll start right back up. Somebody said something about a bearing nut being loose. I wonder if the dealership didn't tighten these nuts or something. I don't know. I better check that. Look at it, there it goes again. There's a wobble. Yeah, see it? Oh, maybe I should make this video. Look at the wobble, you know, the wobble video. And it's, you know, look at that. Look, you see that? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw out, you know, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and show you parts of the whatever happened, you know what I mean, when I fell and when I ate it. And then, man, look at that wobble, it's getting worse. Crazy. I hate it. I don't know if I'm gonna be riding this thing on the freeway anytime soon, no anymore. Not until I fix that problem. So anyways, look at that. I can't even switch lanes with, that's crazy. That wobble was just getting worse and worse. I don't remember it doing it that bad when I first got it, so I'm thinking something has got to be loose. And so anyways, I'm gonna edit some video, and I am going to throw it in here with this video, and I'll show you guys what happened, and maybe I'll do a little bit of voiceover or something. I just wanted to touch bases with you guys since I haven't done a video in 2 weeks. Man, that wobble sucks. And so anyways, hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are having a great week. Well, the week just started, so you guys take care, and I hope you guys enjoy this mild video. I mean, it's just, you know, it's just me learning how to ride. That's all pretty much. Look at this guy. See that? Good looking out, buddy. And anyways, look at the wobble. That's crazy. I don't know, man. I'm gonna check this out today because it's just bad. It's super bad. I mean, I don't even know what to say. This is like the worst. I mean, this is like the only disappointing part about this motorcycle. There's something's got to be wrong. You know what I mean? Something's got to be wrong. For this last little section, the road ended up starting to get better, and it was nice and flat, and I started to pick up a little bit of speed, and I almost got ran over by some donkeys. And this is the first time I ever felt the ABS on a motorcycle, so it did its job. I felt it kicked in, and then it locked, and then it unlocked. I don't know if it would have been any difference if I would have actually slide the whole time. I mean, in the video it doesn't look like I was that close to hitting him, but in reality it did feel like I was about to hit him up until, you know, the donkeys kind of turned around. I mean, it was a close call, but it wasn't super close. But anyways, I'll leave the video here, and just a quick update. The wobble thing, I haven't even checked it out yet this whole week. It rained over here, so I've been using the car, and I believe tomorrow morning I'm gonna go for a small ride with my cousin. So finally I get to do a video with my cousin, hopefully, and hopefully I can get it uploaded before the weekend's over. So today's the 12th, it's Friday, it's about almost midnight, and I need to get my butt to bed. So thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and hopefully we'll check out some, hopefully I'll be making some better videos for you guys to check out, and as I keep going, I'll keep getting better. You guys have a good night.